Welcome to this video. What is digital forensics? When a cyber attack strikes with missing files, locked accounts, and stolen data, the initial panic over, what happened quickly turns to more critical questions. How did the breach occur? Who was responsible and why was it done? Digital forensic is the field dedicated to uncovering these answers. In this video, we will explore what digital forensic is, its scope, processes, applications, challenges, and tools. By the end of this video, you will be able to define digital forensic and its scope, describe the four stages: identification, preservation, analysis, presentation, explain how forensics supports investigations across multiple contexts, identify challenges like encryption, cloud data volume, evolving tech, differentiate core tools and skills used by experts. What is digital forensic? Digital forensic is the scientific process of collecting, preserving, and analyzing digital evidence, such as log files, hard drives, and data from the cloud, to understand and present how a cyber incident occurred. It functions like traditional forensic, but for the digital world, providing the crucial link that explains not just what happened in an attack, but how and why. Digital forensic has a broad and critical scope. It is instrumental in criminal cases for tracking hackers, fraud, and ransomware, while in corporate setting, it uncovers insider threats and intellectual property thefts. Ultimately, it moves beyond surface-level details to reconstruct the full narrative of an attack, revealing the crucial how and why behind security incidents. In essence, digital forensic is like reconstructing a digital crime scene. Just as detectives analyze fingerprints, footprints, and motives at a physical break-in, digital investigators meticulously examine log files, system artifacts, and network traffic to piece together the complete story of a cyber incident within the unseen world of data. Digital forensic process. To understand how it works, let's walk through the four main stages of the forensic process. 1. Identification. This is where investigators decide what data is relevant. For instance, discovering that a suspicious USB drive was connected to a company's laptop at the specific time. 2. Preservation. Once identified, evidence must be preserved in its original state. Investigators create exact replicas called forensic images of the hard drive and storage devices. This step is vital because even the smallest alteration can make the evidence inadmissible in court. 3. Analysis. Here is where the detective work takes place. Specialists search for deleted files, reconstruct timelines, recover hidden data, and analyze system logs to understand how events unfolded. Presentation. Finally, results must be presented in a way that lawyers, executives, or judges can understand. Complex techniques details are specified without compromising accuracy, ensuring that evidence can withstand scrutiny in legal or organizational decision making. Real-world applications. Digital forensic plays a role in many real-life scenarios, such as law enforcement. Imagine a suspect who deleted incriminating emails in a fraud case. Forensic experts can recover those messages and establish a direct link to the crime. Corporate investigations. A company suspects an employee of leaking confidential designs. By examining logs and file transfers, digital forensic can prove whether sensitive information was copied into a USB stick or uploaded to the cloud. Cybersecurity incidents. After a ransomware attack, investigators identify whether the breach occurred through phishing, weak passwords, or unpatched softwares. Their findings help organizations both recover and strengthen defense. Civil litigations. Even outside criminal or corporate cases, forensic is vital. In divorce disputes or workplace conflicts, it can uncover hidden financial records, suspicious communications, or online behavior related to the case. Why digital forensic matters. In today's world, nearly every activity leaves a digital footprint. Digital forensic uncovers these traces to solve and present cybercrime by identifying security weaknesses. Most importantly, it provides the verifiable evidence needed to ensure accountability, bridging the critical gap between cybersecurity and justice for both courts and organizations. Challenges in digital forensics. Of course, this field is not without challenges. Encryption. While vital for privacy, strong encryption can make evidence nearly impossible to access. Cloud computing. With data stored across multiple jurisdictions worldwide, legal access becomes complex. Data volume. Modern devices store enormous amount of data, information, making it difficult to filter out what truly matters. Evolving technology. Constantly emerging apps, communication methods, and attacks techniques mean experts must continuously adapt and learn. These obstacles make field demanding, but they also highlight why digital forensic is such a critical and rewarding profession. Skills and tools for the expert. A digital forensic investigator needs more than technical skills. It requires an analytical mindset to think like an attacker and a detective. This demands sharp attention to details, patience, and expertise with specialized tools like NCase and FTK for disk analysis, or Wireshark and volatility for tracing network intrusions and memory artifacts. Bringing it together, digital forensic is the science of uncovering the truth within digital data. Through a rigorous process, it provides answers that are both technically sound and legally admissible, essential for solving cybercrimes and corporate investigations. It reveals the how, why, and who behind an incident. As our world becomes more digitally, it serves as the critical bridge between technology, security, and justice. So the next time you hear about a cyber attack, remember that behind the headlines, digital forensic experts are carefully piecing together the puzzle, one bite at a time. In this video, we have learned what digital forensic is and why it matters in cybersecurity. The main stages of digital forensic process, how forensic is applied, the challenges it faces, and the tools and skills experts need. Now that you understand what digital forensic is and why it matters, let's take a closer look at the forensic process itself. In the next video, we will break down each stage step by step, showing you how investigators move from identifying potential evidence to presenting findings.